Kia ora guys, what we are learning to do today is to multiply whole numbers and decimals. So there are 3 steps to doing this. So the first step is to remove or move the decimal. The second step is to multiply, and the third step is to place the decimal back in your answer. So I'll show you how to do this now. All right, so we have our equation here, 14 times 0.6 or 14 times 6 tenths. So the first step is to remove our decimal point there. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these two together. But first we need to rewrite our question by removing the decimal point. So we have written our sum down there, sans decimal point. We've got no decimal points in this. So we have completed our first step. And now we're going to use our multiplication strategy to find the answer. So 6 times 4 is 24. We're going to carry our 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8. And then 0 times anything else is 0. So that is our answer there. So we have now completed step 2. We have multiplied. So step 3 is to place the decimal back in the answer. So you must be wondering, where do I put my decimal point back? So if we take a look up here, our decimal point, there's only one number to the right of it. So when we're putting the decimal point back, we need to put it back in front of however many numbers were in our original problem. So in this case, there's only one number here, the number 6. So we go down to our answer and we count one number and we place that decimal in front of that one number. So the answer to our equation there is 8.4. We've completed all the steps and we have our answer. All right, we have a second problem here. 7 times 5.22. All right, so first steps again is to rewrite that question and remove the decimal. So when we're using multiplicative strategies, the best point of call is to put the largest number at the top. It just makes working things out so much easier and it gives us more unification. All right, let's have a look. So we've got no decimal points here, all taken out. 7 times 2 is 14. We carry our 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So we have our answer there. We have completed our first 2 steps. We have removed the decimal, we have multiplied, and now we need to place the decimal in our answer. So if we go back up here and look where our decimal point is, we will see that there are 2 numbers after our decimal point in our original equation. So what we need to do is come down to our answer, count 2 numbers, 1, 2, and place the decimal point there. So we have succeeded. We now know that 7 times 5.22 is 36.54. Well done, guys. So if you follow those 3 steps, you should have absolutely no problem achieving your mahi. See ya.